Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be thrifting. So I'm going to be going to Goodwill in like my hometown. I'm just gonna try to get some new summer clothes. I've never really done this before. I just want to get some more clothes for summertime and just see if they have any cute clothes because they've been closed down for a long time, so I'm sure they have gotten a lot of new clothing items. This is the first day where you don't have to make an appointment to go, so I'm hoping that it's not super busy where I don't have to wait too long like to get inside, because I know that they will have a capacity of the amount of people that they will let in. So I just hope that there's not a whole bunch of people and I won't have to wait too long. But don't mind my hair or how I look. I'm not wearing any makeup. I just took a shower because I just got out of work. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get thrifting. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys already know, I think I already did like an intro to this, maybe not. I'm going to be doing a like thrift store try-on haul, and I've never really gone thrifting that much before. I've gone before, but I think it's only been like one time. I think it's a great way to get clothes like for really cheap that are actually cute, and you can find different ways to style them and stuff. I went to Goodwill twice. The first time I found a bunch of stuff, the second time I didn't find anything. And then I went to the Salvation Army and found a couple of things from there too. So okay, so I guess we'll just start off with Goodwill because that's where I went first. So the first thing that I got is this blue t-shirt that says Daytona Beach, and it says just fishing charters since 1876. And I thought this was really cute because me and my boyfriend have been going fishing a lot, and I wore this the last time we went fishing, and I don't know, it was just a really cute t-shirt and I thought it'd be perfect for when we go fishing and stuff. I think the color is really pretty too. It's like a very pretty blue color. The other shirt I got is the one I'm wearing right now, which says Frankfort, Michigan, up north, and I love the color of this. I think it's super pretty and cute, and I don't know, it's like an oversized t-shirt that I thought was cute, so okay, so the next t-shirt that I got is this t-shirt right here, which is just like a basic white t-shirt, and then it has like the orange trimming around it. So I just thought this was a pretty basic t-shirt, and it says Forever 21, so it's from Forever 21. And then next I got this hoodie zip up, 3/4 zip up thing that says CMU Chippewas on it, which is a college very close to where I live, and yeah, just another sweatshirt for me to wear. So the last things that I got were just some pants slash shorts. So the first thing is just this black pair of lounge shorts, and I just needed a pair of these because I wear like the same two pairs all the time, so we got those. And the other pair is another pair of black lounge shorts, but these have polka dots on them, so love that for me. We're gonna have lots of pajama shorts to wear. The last thing that I got from Goodwill were these pair of sweatpants, and then they just like cinch at the end, and these felt like super perfect, and I just really like how they look, so that's exciting. So I pretty much just got a lot of lounge stuff because I feel like Goodwill, it doesn't really have, like I tried looking for like Levi jeans because they're really cute. I love Levi jeans, but yeah, they didn't really have any, so I couldn't find any of those, and pretty much all I could really find was lounge stuff. Obviously, that's what I just showed you. Okay, so then I went to Salvation Army and I found a couple things, not really that many. So the first shirt is this one that says Nashville, Tennessee. Oh, this is kind of ripping off. Well, that's cool. Another just oversized t-shirt with a city on it, so. So the next thing I got was a very oversized sweatshirt. So this is what it looks like. It says Branson on it, which I think that's a town. I don't really know. But just a very oversized sweatshirt, and I thought it'd be super comfortable. So, and then the last two things I got were just another pair of sweatpants. Of course, like a gray pair, and they cinch at the end. Again, I think these might be a little big on me, but it's fine. The last thing I got was actually a pair of jeans. So I think these are probably gonna be really big on me. I don't know yet. I haven't even tried them on. But yeah, this is what they look like. They are Arizona jeans. So I found these in the men's section. I don't know, I just thought they were really cute, and I figured if I wanted to, I could like cut the ends off or just like distress them more or something. So yeah, I'm really excited that I found a pair of jeans. So that is pretty much everything that I got. I know it really wasn't that much, but I just had a lot of fun going thrifting for the first time, and everything was super cheap. I think at Goodwill it was around $25 for all that stuff, and then at Salvation Army it was literally only $13, so that was pretty awesome. I'm really excited for that. That is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my post notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post a new video. Also, thank you guys so much for almost 500 subscribers. I don't know if I'm there yet. Right now I think I'm at like 486 or something like that. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. I was literally at like 180 like 2 weeks ago. But thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. We have like so many new people here. So if you're new, comment something down below. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. I know it might seem like a small number, but to me, I'm just like really happy, and this is something that I've been wanting to do for so long, and I'm so happy that I'm finally able to do it and that people are like liking my content and stuff. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.